It used to take me weeks and sometimes months to learn a new song. But once I learned the secrets to playing the piano, I could learn a new song in about 15 minutes. I was learning 3 or 4 new songs a day. It was amazing. Of course, it took me a few months to really grasp what I learned that day, but what I'm telling you is the truth. It's been 30 years since that amazing day when I finally learned the secrets of professional musicians, and technology has grown by leaps and bounds. So what I'd like to do first is show you the secret to reading sheet music. This one technique will actually help you enjoy learning to play the piano. In fact, I've been teaching my private students 9 playing techniques for years now, and they all love my method. It's a proven method that has withstood the test of time, 25 years to be exact. So if you're ready, then let's get started. In this first example, I've displayed 8 notes on the top music staff, which are notes written for your right hand. And I've also displayed 8 identical-looking notes on the bottom music staff, which are notes written for your left hand. As you can see, for every note in the right hand, there is an identical-looking note in the left hand. The problem is that the letter names are always different. The right hand C looks just like the left hand E. The right hand F looks just like the left hand A, and the right hand B looks just like the left hand D. And this is true for every note up and down the music staff. So imagine the level of difficulty involved when you have a more complex piece of music, especially when you have to read notes that are stacked on top of each other. Then add the identical looking notes to the equation. Here's a right hand E that looks exactly like this left hand G, and here's a right hand B that looks exactly like this left hand D. And this is just 2 measures of music. Multiply this by another 50, 60, or more measures, and you can see how easy it is for students to get frustrated and quit. It happens all the time. A student loses all interest in playing, and the parents give in and let him quit. Oftentimes, the parents don't truly understand the problem. They don't realize how easily this music reading problem is fixed, which I'll show you in a moment. And here's the thing. There's a solution for every issue that piano students will ever face. Unfortunately, most piano teachers today just aren't equipped to solve these issues using the same old teaching techniques from 40 or 50 years ago. In fact, the old teaching techniques never really worked, which is why students have been quitting piano from the beginning of time. So what's the answer? How do we stop students from getting frustrated and quitting? Well, it's really very easy. Let me explain. If you've been playing the piano for some time, then you need to take music like this and simplify it to music like this. If you're a complete beginner, then this is where you need to start. This example shows the 3 elements of every song ever written. The first element is melody, which are the single notes written on the top staff. The second element is chords, which are the groups of notes written on the bottom staff. I'll be explaining chords in great detail later on in this video. And the third element is rhythm, which is contained primarily in the right-hand melody in this example. But the left-hand chords will play an increasingly more rhythmical role as your skills increase. And if you follow my 9 playing techniques that I'll be sharing with you in this video, your skills will grow by leaps and bounds in a very short period of time. Once you've simplified your sheet music, you need to realize that the chords you'll be playing with your left hand have names, and knowing these names is crucial to your understanding of how music works. These names are displayed above the melody using chord symbols. I can't emphasize enough how important chords are. The truth is, once I started to learn the chord names, learning new songs became 1,000 times easier. In part 4 of my Don't Quit Piano series, I will show you a way to instantly read music notation. Regardless of your playing experience, if you use my playing technique number 1, you will be able to read sheet music instantly. So please, don't quit piano until you've seen part 4. My name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.